That's So Cool by Lichi channel, and today let's make a Superman drink. Before we start, the main thing is we have to wash our hands. We have to rub 20 seconds with soap. You can just sing happy birthday in your mind 2 times. That will measure exactly 20 seconds if you can't approximately say. Now that my hands are super clean, let's start making the Superman dish. For this dish, we need 4 strawberries, a few slices of apple. Don't peel the skin because they produce good fiber, and along with a few 4 to 5 walnuts and 5 almonds, the brown sugar, a few blueberries, milk, and that's it. And don't forget the cardamom. It's a secret ingredient for this. Trust me, if you put it in a sweet, it will be super good. For this, I'm going to use my favorite grinder. Remember my mint chutney video? I'm using the same grinder because it is very easy to grind it. Take the 4 strawberries and put them. Take the 4 slices of apple. Now for the almonds and the walnuts. The Jaggery, I have 2 spoons in this. Jaggery is the same as brown sugar. Now pour the milk, half cup of milk in this. Now take the cardamom. I'm going to use a martel and pestle to smash the cardamom. We're going to be using only the seeds. These are the seeds. To grind. Now it's done. Now let's taste it. It's gonna taste super good. Don't filter these things because they produce fiber and they are good for health. Now just enjoy. It's so good. This is